What's up, guys? This is Searra with Blasian Mom and More, and today we are going to figure out how to repurpose wine bottles. Every time I go to the store, if I try to redecorate a room in the house, $5? No, I'm not paying for it, and I just take a picture of it. I can do that. I can do it for cheaper. Oh, crap. Why are you just gonna spend it like that? Who wants to do that? Let's get to it. Alright, sorry to interrupt, guys, but my son walked into the room. I'm sanding these branches so they can at least look good. He said he wants to try it, so right there. Alright, come on. Okay, so that's I guess that's finished.
Yeah.
It's not. You make it. That is one way you repurpose a wine bottle. Easier if you actually braid the yarn or twist it. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.